The state is home for more than 80 Fortune 500 companies and 70 multinationals. It provides the most enhanced and comprehensive infrastructure option, which truly it's an investor paradise. Here I would like to appreciate the visionary CM's leadership and the administration of the state in achieving the sustainable development, making Karnataka state truly global and productively supporting the investors. With just 5% of the country's population, the state contributes 6% GDP of our countries. To continue to power these engines of the progressive growth and development, I believe energy security is the key, and given the challenge of the climate change, we need to wiser energy choice. The Karnataka, which has the highest wind potential in the countries, nearly 15,000 megawatt, of which only 2,000 megawatt yet we have harnessed. This vast potential need to be harnessed. Suzlon stand in support of the states in harnessing these potentials. The Suzlon Group is truly the global multinationals and establishing enormous wind projects across the 32 countries, and today installed base is nearly 20,000 megawatt in the different part of the world. The currently Suzlon industrial base is strong establishment in special economic zones in Padupadri, which we are very successful, the largest manufacturing capacity of the world of 6,000 megawatt. And also this manufacturing base is the largest exporters of the capital goods for our countries. And we are extremely happy in the states providing the large infrastructure, and the export base, the facilities and special economic zones has given the enormous opportunity to make our organizations most successful in Karnataka. The given Suzlon commitment to the powering the greener tomorrow and progressive investor facilitation in the state of Karnataka, I am pleased to announce a 2,500 megawatt wind farm project by Suzlon Energy, which will attracting the investment about 15,000 crores in the next 2 to 3 years. The Suzlon is firmly committed to the Karnataka state for renewable development potential of the achieving sustainable economic and agriculture growth for bringing the highest degree of the energy security and the food securities. By all the best, my wishes to the success of investor meets, and I strongly believe this is the state will give you the enormous opportunity for investor to invest in the state. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.